What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. I'm currently benchmarking Crimson Desert, so expect that video soon, but if you find that motion blur is a bit too much in this game and you're looking for a way to turn it off, pause the game, head across to the Options tab at the very top, then Settings, and you won't find it on the Video tab, nor the Graphics tab. What you need to do is head across to Accessibility, the last tab, and you'll find Blur Intensity. While it doesn't say anything about motion blur, this is the Motion Blur Intensity option. Drop this down to 0, apply your changes, and just like that, you've now successfully removed motion blur. You can also adjust camera shake at the very top, which is something else that can cause discomfort, motion sickness, etc. Finally at the bottom, depth of field, but expect a full breakdown of each individual graphics option, as well as preset to find out exactly how to play the game with the best performance possible, while keeping it looking as good as possible. I'll see you as soon as that video is done. Hopefully you found this useful. Thank you for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot. I'll see you all next time. Ciao.